Hey guys, a couple years ago I put up a few Halloween and horror-based tutorials here on this main channel, mainly during the Halloween season, just to kind of mix things up a little bit. And I alluded to the fact that I might be interested in making a actual channel devoted to things like that, Halloween and the horror genre, and as well as doing like effect props and things like that. Well, after giving it some thought, I decided to go ahead and create that channel, and it will be debuting on Friday the 13th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 2019. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will be posting another update here on this main channel on that day, and it will have a link in the description as well as at the end screen on how to make it to that new channel. I really hope to see you all there. Don't forget to head there and subscribe once the channel's up. And let's get together and make some creepy stuff and have some fun. See you then.